Good thing that's
no sweat for Will. Half gallon of milk, you know.
Good thing
it's a day's work.
My nut is like a huge tank.
What?
Particle. Good morning, America. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi, Will.
Will, so we're gonna throw you to the Potomac River today.
You what?
Underwater camera, right?
Huh?
It's an underwater camera.
It's red and green, I think.
Blue pill.
Maybe it was red and blue.
I thought
Blue
it was
pill.
blue and red.
Blue
I
pill?
think
Is
red
it
and
the blue
green,
pill?
I don't
Are
know.
they blue and red?
Red and green.
Red and green?
See?
Is Will the final expert on
That's
this?
what
I don't know.
That's, you know what would have been exciting, Will?
What?
If we would have recorded your little moment on the trail.
Moment? What moment? My moment?
In front of everybody.
Oh yeah. I had to go. I really had to go.
I think Carrie has secrets now. Something.
You and your urination.
Isn't your dog crazy, Will?
Yeah, she's nuts, man.
Yeah?
She's wild. She's a crazy dog.
You didn't want her to have your house by yourself, right? She was
No, she's nuts. She gets into things all the time.
Do you think she could make it through the Billy Goat Trail?
I don't think so.
How are your ankles?
You scare me, man.
Pretty good.
Yeah. And thank you for getting me out of that cliffhanger.
Will did a good job today, man.
Yeah.
It was like never before. He was a machine out there.
He was.
Yeah.
Did a good job, Will.
Thanks.
I'm proud of you.
There you go.
You deserve a medal.
Thank you for
One time he broke his watch.
Have you been to the karaoke place already?
Not really.
Have you been there already?
Huh?
Have you been to the karaoke place already?
Not really.
Really? Where?
We are going on Tuesday.
Yeah. Always presenting her work on Thursday, right?
Excuse me?
Always presenting her work on Thursday, right?
At Filmmakers?
Yeah.
I'm-
When's that, man?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I know it's supposed to be sometime soon, but I don't know when the exact day that she's doing it is.
Hmm. Thanks. Yeah, what did you ever hear back from Leopard Films?
No, I actually, I got in touch with, a friend of mine got me in touch with a bunch of different ADs in the area, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of PA work over the summer.
Well,
On a, there's an HBO movie I'm doing in May, and then a studio film in July,
well,
stuff like that. Yeah.
that's cool. The Jeff is in! Yeah! Yeah! Jeff is in. Jeff is in. The Jeff is in. Mi, fa, Well, yeah, well, we want me to bring it to you on Saturday when I come pick you up. It starts at 7, yeah, and yeah.
I can tell you about books. I can't tell you about computers.
Yeah, it must be a plug-in or something, because I have Progress high-speed internet, and that's pretty fast on a G4, so it's not no sound the speed of my computer.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
Here I am. Yeah. Lee. Moo, 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 moo. Good morning, America. Good morning, America.
What if there's something private on here?
I
I don't know. I'll be having his schedule up.
Oh yeah, we'll look at the computer.
Okay. Great. Okay, so
Yeah,
we're having
what?
for Friday, April 9th at 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay. Very
Yeah.
good.
Day. Hey, what's going on? Looking good, huh? You ready to go? You ready to go?
Yeah. Okay.
We gotta be there at 7. Don't get mixed up.
I won't get mixed up.
No, get mixed up.
No.
You want me to put this camera down, don't you?
Yes.
You're ready.
Yeah.